Same brand, same f2.8, but one of these lenses will completely change your shots. Hey everyone, today in Snap About Specs. This is a real-world difference between these two Tamron lenses. This is the 28 to 75mm and one is 35 to 100mm f2.8. On paper, almost the same. In the real life, very different. Next is the 35 to 100mm f2.8. But this is different. This is not for everyone. This is for clean, compressed, cinematic look, better background separation, more professional feel. The subject just pops.
Feels good to be me. Yeah, it feels good to be me. It feels good to be me. Ain't no worries, I don't got.
This is the 28 to 75mm and one is 35 to 100mm f2.8. On paper, almost the same. In the real life, very different.
On a time to be alive. Get ready for it. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet.
I don't chase specs, I use what works. And trust me, these two lenses give completely different result. The 28-75 is convenience, the 35 to 100 is creativity. So let me ask you, do you want all-around lens or do you want that cinematic look?
Get free, free, do what you do, run and be what you please. Get free, free, move and move, run and be what you please. Get free, free, do what you do, run and be what you please. Get free, free, move and move, run and be what you please. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I got the sun shining on every step, dancing down every street. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Whoa, yeah, it feels good to be me. Oh, it feels good to be me.
Everything feels out of place, free falling through time and space, peering down as humans race. They want everything. What will tomorrow bring? Everyone rolls on the edge, pushing silence off the ledge. The telling thing heard is lies. What will tomorrow bring? What will tomorrow bring? Be ready, the crash will come. Be ready, it'll come undone. When you're unsteady, hold your breath and run. Be ready, the crash will come. Be ready, the crash will come. Will evil or innocence save us from our descent? Be the rise and fall of every
If you are into honest camera reviews and real-world gift tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week.
Will